Started as a whisper, message from a new world I'd never known. Something about it felt like it'd been waiting my whole life.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Jereel on your screen with a new video. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to make this coffee soap. So if you're interested to learn how to make this coffee soap that helps improve the appearance of your skin, please keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the post notification bell and give this video a big thumbs up. So the first ingredient we need in making this soap is our goat milk soap base. Okay, I intentionally got this goat milk soap base because I think it's the best soap base I'll use to make my coffee face soap. So now I've cut the soap base into little chunks, and now using a double boiling method, I am going to melt this soap over heat. Okay, so you need to be there to be stirring it so your soap doesn't burn. We don't need too much heat to melt this soap. So once you sight and see that the soap is all melted, the next thing you have to do is to bring it down from the fire. Okay, here is our melted goat milk soap base. So you need to be fast when mixing this, else the soap starts solidifying. So the next thing you need to get now is your grounded coffee. Coffee has numerous benefits for the skin. It has antioxidant properties which helps kill dead cells and removes impurity, making the skin smoother and brighter. Coffee also protect the skin against harsh sun rays. It makes the skin smooth and bright. It enhances blood circulation. Okay, so that is why we're making this soap. For those who kind of react when they apply the scrub or anything, you can just apply this soap as a mask. Okay, you don't need to make the grounded coffee scrub again. You just need to incorporate it into your soap base and apply it as a mask, and you're still going to enjoy many of these skin benefits included in it. Okay, so I'm going to give this a good stir. I'm mixing this really quick because the soap base is still hot. So the next thing you want to add is your rose water. Rose water is a natural toner, but if you don't have this rose water, you can skip this step. All right, so the next thing you need to add now is your sunflower oil. Sunflower oil has numerous benefits on the skin. It reduces the appearance of wrinkles, it removes dead skin cells, it protects the skin, it's a natural moisturizer and a cleanser as well. Now you're going to give this soap a good mix. Make sure that you're incorporating the ingredients together properly. Give it a good mix, and what you need next now is your soap mold. So I already did my collagen face soap. That is why you can see it's still in the mold. It's still solidifying, and the video of how I made this soap will be up very soon. So I'm going to transfer the melted my soap base into the soap mold, my coffee soap into the soap mold, and let it sit on a tabletop for 2 to 3 hours till it solidifies entirely. I implore you to try out this coffee soap recipe and you'll come back to say thank you. It works as good as the coffee scrub. So without much talking, let's let our soap solidify for 2 to 3 hours, and I will see you guys when the soap is all dried up. Don't go anywhere. So guys, here is our soap after some few hours of drying. Our soap is totally dry and solidified. So I'm going to go ahead now and pop the soap out of the soap molds. Okay, so I'm going to now take out the soap from the silicone soap mold, and this is what our coffee soap looks like, and it smells so good as well. I don't need to talk too much. You guys know that coffee has a very nice fragrance, so it has transferred into the soap, and the soap smells so amazing. So here is our soap. I'm sure you see those little residues left there. I intentionally did not mix the coffee very well so that when I'm applying the soap on my face, it can also be doing the job of exfoliating, if you get what I mean, for those who apply their soaps on their face directly. And here is a lather test. You can see that this soap lathers very, very well, and it's after washing my hands with this soap, my hands felt very soft, smooth, and refreshed. Okay, so that's the same thing that happens when you use this soap on your face. Okay, it is super clarifying. It's a very good soap to try out now in the comfort of your home. Just go into the market and get all this necessary ingredient needed in making this soap and make yours for yourself. So guys, we've gotten to the end of this video. If you enjoyed, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, share this video. I'll see you guys very soon. Bye bye.